Hello everybody, I hope you and your family are well in these difficult times, so please keep safe and healthy. Allow me just an introduction. 2 weeks ago, I found a company that they were seeking for a payment solution, let me call it a payment hub, to integrate different payment methods, protocols, components integration into a single scalable solution in the cloud. So after a thought, I wondered how it could be done using the best DevOps and CI/CD practices, and I put my knowledge to develop the first high-level solution with Terraform, Ansible, and DSC. So let's check my AWS account. There is nothing in it except two key pairs, and let's run the code. Let's apply the code. So while this is running, let me just tell you that with a single line of requirement, and design and build an infrastructure in the cloud between 10 days. For you that doesn't know me, I'm not a developer. My career has been around technology project management, but I have a geek curiosity on the latest technology trends. So I built a payment hub module for RedSys. For those that are not in the Spanish market, RedSys is a Spanish payment processor. And please think about this like an agile project. This is a first release, and more modules and features will be included, such as Kubernetes, Kubernetes, Docker, Lambda, and many others to build a cross-functional solution. As you can see, the code is still running. It takes a few minutes to run. And let me tell you what it builds. Currently is building 2 public and 5 private subnets, as well as all the required networking with the routing rules, tables, building 2 load balancers, and a NAT. You also create auto-scaling groups for those high criticality instances, and a few security groups for assessing different levels in the network. For instance, you cannot reach the private subnet, but only through the public, and also it brings an extra layers of different instances in a back layer, which are to control all the different instances in the different security groups. Let me tell you that also I use DSC for Windows and Ansible for Ubuntu to build the instances with the required software and configuration, and also including Cholakite to download and install different software. In the future, I'm expecting to build extra modules as well as other payment methods. And I will post all these different videos in the future. So let's see how it runs. It's still creating a load balancers, but let's see the count how it is progressing. So far it's building 11 instances, as well as load balancer, images, and the Elastic IP is still pending to build. So between those 10 days, my curiosity put me in the situation how I can build an infrastructure using diagrams and such. So I came across with CloudVis, which is to build the picture and infrastructure in the cloud. And one of the very nice features that it has is to synchronize your account, so you can pull all your infrastructure and the picture, the current state of it. So even though that the Terraform is still running, let's see how it looks like and synchronize the account. I hope it will look like very close to here we go, to what it was planned. It has some subnets, instances, and 2 load balancers. You can see it's still running in the background, endpoints, and some storage. So as you can see, to build a cloud infrastructure is a matter of minutes with Terraform, and you can manage all the process and any project with a single click. So thank you for watching. I would like you to know your feedback on how this process goes, and if you want to contribute or participate, please send me a private message. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice weekend.